About to go live. Turn the speaker on. Turn the speaker on. Turn the speaker on. Turn the speaker on.
And what you should do, I don't have much updates. Only update I have is based on current climate. So how do you should update your life already?
How do I use to update movies?
Hmm?
Did you say how do I use to update
How are
movies?
you doing this?
So we're going to do a lot of chat today.
Chat with who's coming?
That's the thing. Our guests they build on us. Or actually just one person like I invited for today. I'm actually live right now by the way.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yeah. So we invited guests, but we only got one person coming in today, and the reason why we delay this long is because they're not here yet.
They're
So-
still here.
At the middle of this session, I hope that they get to join us, and yeah, because it's just gonna be me and Phoenix. Seamus is to join us soon, chatting about boring work. Excuse me, I'm eating. Don't mind me. It's a crazy day. Chatting about boring work stuff, and I'm really hoping that you guys in the chat are going to. I think I should change the title of the. Um, I think I should change the title of the session so that it doesn't sound like we are deceiving you guys. Just give me a second. I'm trying to switch the camera angle to this one up here that we used yesterday. All right. So, I hope it's not offensive on chat, yeah. Because there are a whole lot of things that I don't even think I'm not allowed on stream that they are banned. This is that. W Phoenix. Let me have this man to stage. So guys, how are you guys doing today? Trust you're doing okay. I wish I could cut this first couple of minutes away from the stream. Because if you open the stream and the first couple of minutes is one dude eating live on stream, saying jack shit, you probably just leave. So maybe when we drop the recording, like the last one I said we removed, to cut it off and then compile our playlist of moments and everything. As we eat the milestones, as we tick things off our list, and all of that. The message is not delivering, by the way. I don't know why. But I sent the link to this guy already. Where the birthday girl at?
Oh, your players are better.
Yeah, I'm about to add this to stage though. Good?
Yeah.
I'm about to add this to stage.
Alright.
Just giving you a heads up. W's to our favorite. Yeah, thank you. W's to our super amazing
Nah.
guest on Switch. Bro, you're looking so freaking dark. You want to turn on that light?
I like it like that.
What? Anyways. Oh, this dude is right here beside me. Come on in. Yeah. He's right, like literally right beside me here. So don't mind him. W's to our first two viewers, right? Is viewers need to say, Abby? And also I think I need to switch my mic so that you guys do not come across
Same.
giving you
Darling.
Alright. W's join. I see you. So yeah, our guests for today, they are sliders. Um, I'm still hoping that they actually join us, and then we can talk about some boring tech stuff down the line. Yep.
Nah.
This dude wanted to have the whole dark mode, dark archive thingy going on.
Nah.
You don't want to use the lights. But
I'm
anyways,
not doing this. I'm not doing this with you.
bro, you're doing that shit. You're doing that shit. So I'm trying to ping sharp. John said I should send the coordinates of those who are supposed to get that are not here. Don't sharply ping them. No other. There's one in my backyard here. Supposed to be here. Anyways, today's going to be much more of like conversations typing, nothing too deep. And I'm talking to Sheo, who is supposed to be here, but he's not here right now. If you like saying big, don't break your heart. How far? We're waiting for your stream, oh. You dey sleep, ke? You leave our fans, you dey sleep.
Everybody.
You dey whine me. Guys, this guy is sleeping. Can you imagine? This tech bro is no serious, so we need to feel what you say.
I say you reach everybody.
But anyways, so that's one person down, expecting the next person. Let me call the other person that's supposed to be here. Putting our dev in roast mode. Haha. W's or Q. Shout out to y'all on X, Twitter, on Switch. I see you. I wish I could send John the stage link so he can come and tell us about this product, even though we don't have plenty audience. At least
I just sent
it's going to be in the recording. Yeah, it's TechBros, Abi. So I was actually trying to see if we could get a couple of people come talk about their products. If we had like lots of viewers who'd be interested in coming to do that. Oh, I've not switched the view of the webcam. Or we can stick to this for now, Abi. We can stick to this for now. Since it's just two of us here right now. Is it bad if I eat on stream? Something tells me that. Who's on Switch? Let's see. How do I see who is on Switch? Because I've been trying to get this before sometimes. So I can at least shout W's. Just type W's in the comment if you're on Switch. There's someone on Switch. If you type W's, I'll tell you what I'm eating. For now. Type W's. Type W's. W's on Switch. Even if we're talking to ourselves, so far as we show up,
Yeah.
that's what I want to see. And then we could get clips of. We could just say one or two things that we could cut in between clips when we eventually imagine all of the clips are coming up together with. So that's like one thing I know that for sure. We gotta do. W's on X, W's.
I really need to do that. That can be too black.
Ladies and gentlemen, so today,
That can be bruh.
what?
That can be looking. Check the blog. I just sent
So the plug URL. Guys, I'm about to share.
Don't open it on mobile. The landing page is actually blank.
Guess who is here? You guys did it. It's blank how?
The landing page is blank. Just once you go to the landing page is just blank. Then
How are you having a blank landing page and you want me to share? You don't know that these people will skin us alive? The sell the app. Okay.
Nah, that's not
Guys, I'm about to share what we have with you guys so that you can see. But don't expect too much from.
I
Don't
just sent
expect
it
too
to him.
much
I just
from.
checked it as comment.
Hmm?
I just sent it as comment. As comment.
Oh yeah, that's private. Alright. Send. You don't share your screen from there, or should I share from there?
No, you share. I'm glad you know so much. That I need to be used to anything.
Alright. So I is giving.
Mm.
No, it's true. Because even all these witches and wizards, yeah, all this Merlin, Merlin, that's like always giving.
Then check
Ah,
the so
wait. You're returning your speech.
go to the
What
next
talking
page.
about?
Go to that page. Go to the job listing page. You get
So, okay, that's how that
yeah. Yeah. I think let's job listing page is actually update for now.
okay.
That's what the external part of the job.
Should I say this is in case for alright, sharp. I'm pressing the call. So please join us.
Press the neck.
Let me speak. I need to ask him a question. But we will. Alright, so they say they need to I think that I need to shut down some servers.
I'm no longer afraid.
Yeah, I realized. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I'm somehow seeing that X is no longer on the list of platforms you are streaming on.
Don't
How's that? Can you guys
just in
see?
case there's this man there. I don't know what he's doing there.
Yeah, I tried to switch to
I don't know what he's doing behind me. He wants to become a ghost.
um are we still on X? Are you still seeing me on X? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Alright, let me try and see if I can share. Alright, so chill. I'll show you on the spot. Thank you very much for coming. So we want to discuss the future of our hub. Thinking about like so let's talk about things that have to do with SEO with SEO optimization, ways that we could possibly get organic organic reach. So this video is supposed to last for max 10-20 minutes and then we're done. 10 minutes. 30 minutes and then we're done. I was expecting that we're going to have like I was expecting we're going to have like um Kate who we're going to drill. Yeah, who we're going to drill. Kate. Jeremiah said she can show up today because it was impromptu. My bad. Kate said she's in church. I read to that earlier. She's in church and then she joined. So
I actually knew that bridge. I'm kind of be happy that no one is
no one is here.
supposed to.
Bruh, nobody might even roast you now. Your work. That's clear. Except the fact that you changed the color that you were complaining about yesterday.
Yeah, I went to do that. I had very deep crazy work to do today. So,
Mm. But tell me why you were indoor almost 2 4 7. Like it was until this evening. Even she still didn't step out. Even this dude behind me didn't step out. Now use the press laptop, the press laptop. Do you want to shut that off? Ten. So it was crazy. Are we back on X or we're still not on X? Come on, I can't see X here. It's my still feeling sleepy.
I'm
Clean
out
out.
of that news. Like,
Spotlight. Okay, so from what they said, what we going? What we got yesterday? What's his name? Oh, okay, this is to close out this guy here. Okay, from what we got yesterday, it sounded like we should not go in the direction of having what is called. We could
just
just
one color here.
wait, let me land.
Okay, sir.
This
Sorry.
color. Okay, what I was thinking of how we would do that was because they will end up with us having two colors or three. One for when the job is close to the deadline of when users should like do something application type thing. See, for example, the deadline like okay, the application is closing at 30th of February. That's possible. 30th of February. So if you're close to the deadline, that cut down very so
Sorry. So,
February doesn't make much.
sorry.
That's
Jeez,
you know,
I think it's not giving just export like the highest quality and compressed method.
Alright. Okay. So I don't know if you have messages or message
No,
from
that actually compressed. That don't even
oh okay this tabs out okay
Yes.
oh I see wait community is not anymore it's called so the only thing we can see for now is just this tab
Yeah,
we
you
can
can put dashboard, the TVs, you have it. And you can also see the particular show.
guys you can try this out I'm going to send you guys so far your feedback comments anything send them all in send them all in roast them don't worry but anyways speaking of organic way um find okay let's not jump ahead or this must be a shift so think about when you're trying to apply for jobs but then you don't want to be a traditional member career person. You don't want to do the go LinkedIn, Indeed, so on and so forth. What I like other means and things that we can actually use to find um that's like what I'm thinking of because that would then lead to like organic ways that we can use to reach recruiters or to find whatever. That's like the process.
ways to find job without putting such a job.
Without using the common
The only other way I've tried personally is use of ChatGPT.
yeah.
I'm serious. I did it. I tried it one day. I have to
People-
scan like I get it keyword to find the basic messages for marketing, marketing design that are relevant right now on every message. It provided sources and links to, but it still went back to those particular job platforms. So that's why I'm now because right now, if you say you're trying to look for Okay, let me start from you. The first place is the recruiters post basically on this platform. So you can't say you want to look for something outside
Mm,
these platforms since the
mm.
recruiters are majorly focused on
This
these
platform,
platforms.
yeah.
So it's but the other ways whereby that we probably know is maybe you're in a community where it's like Akaya, like like Reddit, like what's the other one called?
Quora,
Quora, there's even
what's
one I just
Dribble.
recently
Oh yeah, peer is the contract.
yeah, it's called
Contract. Yeah,
Quora.
yeah, yeah.
Or maybe fortunately you see somebody talking about a job on Substack, wherever. Anyways, so basically on Discord, right?
Mm.
So
Not okay,
basically,
not on Discord. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
so
true.
basically through community, where all these things, then there you can see. That's one this thing that we also look into looking at higher rights. We're looking at also the marketing process. We're also looking to using communities to um, how do I say people to um, jump into the platform, try to um, get online, try it out, see what it can provide at the moment. At the moment, but the thinking next one out is like jobs on LinkedIn or wherever. Back into this thing. And I was trying to, I was trying to break down our strategy of product. Basically, all plots that is we're building anti-link, anti-LinkedIn. So basically, but no, it has to like so something that
Yeah.
has, and I feel like the more work to break the yeah. But yeah, so basically, I feel like I'm answering your question.
Yeah. You would have ChatGPT do this thing. That is sick. Because it's usually going to speak a lot of rules now. How can
Yeah.
I optimize that?
So,
Sorry,
are
that.
you asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So I know that I tried it, right? At the end of the day, I asked it because I prefer my chat asking me questions like the way I think, right? I want to go through this. Okay, first of all, I asked it to, based on my prompt and everything, conversation we had, analyze my see what are my weaknesses, my strengths, basically. What do you think? How do you think I processed it? I corrected it on several things. So basically, every time it provides a solution, it generates like almost 5 to 10 questions about exactly what it is I'm trying to look for. And I answer based on its questions. After answering based on its questions, if it still needs further clarification, to ask me to just filter it to be like, okay, it has every perfect detail it needs, then we go ahead to do whatever. Basically, you can use. So,
That's interesting. Yeah. What other method have you guys used? Um, I've still not been able to check it on X yet. I don't know why. Let me see, because I see that it's tripping to those three different platforms. But then it's not showing that I have any. It's not registering any views from X on. And um,
you know, the last post on our next post, building in public,
mm,
unites the argument.
mm,
Yeah. On our
what?
next post, it's supposed to be building in public. So it like follows because
What's
right,
interesting?
we're not building a different, we're not using different social, we're using same socials, next socials. But what we want to show is that oh, those things that we said we're building in public, these are the things we're going to focus on one for a while, for a span of 3 months.
Without knowing what to do, I mean,
Yeah, depending on the next product. So basically, I think I just want to say that talking to you, not talking to everyone.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. Um, quick trick to those who are like just getting started in tech. Not trick anyways. Updates. These guys are all. What's the name there? Did you even try to apply? I think I mentioned it to
Oh,
you. Outreach.
yeah.
Yeah. Um, Outreach is actually up. You know about Outreach? It's actually up now. You can apply and all of that. Check them out at outreach.org. Oh, I see. I see. I see. So that viewer that we usually get on Twitch is, I think it's a bot or something.
Is
A bot because it keeps spamming one the same comment every time.
oh,
Something. I mean, I just feel like maybe it's a bot because I'm seeing it right now, and all I'm seeing is viewer stream or blah blah blah. Blah. I'm not going to rest. I'm taking that comment down on Twitch. Can I do that? Or should I leave it? Because it doesn't click actually. But anyways. Um, one thing I learned early in getting into tech and all of these things that made me start thinking of alternative ways to all these social platforms, getting job on LinkedIn, on Indeed, all of those things. They never work for me. It's been more of like meetups, it's been more of like talking to people,
I
community
think
type
I'm eating.
thing.
I think I'm eating any from your input here
Yeah.
at this point. So,
I would share a screen.
Like I wanted to turn the screen.
Yes. But anyways, one trick I picked up early that I think is now casted is you go check career pages. You Google for your job role, the year, and check career
okay,
pages.
energy. So, you know what I'm saying? At this point here, you know you're going to
Mhm.
this apply to job. What and what's how we supposed to get from the user? Because we already have this on our onboarding process.
So you pre-populate them there automatically. It's needed for profile. So if you don't have an account, if you don't have an account and you want to apply, you have to manually do these things. Or you could upload your resume first. First thing you need is a resume. From the resume or from your profile, you can get their details. And then where it says LinkedIn profile,
Everywhere.
why you interested, you take it. Review those ones, it is not their resume. You can't get details in their resume. And keeping the talent pool and everything. I think what you have for now is fine, from my opinion. That's what I think. So what do you think about what we're currently on the screen?
I can't see it.
You.
It's right here.
It's live on stream now.
I'm not. Oh.
Oh,
I'm
you're
on the
not.
stream.
You're not in the stage yet.
I'm on stage.
Anyways, chat. Let's know what you guys think. I'll share with you guys to check.
Full name, email, resume. Wow. Why are you interested?
I was also thinking of when they are creating the job, they should add
Why are you asking why they're interested?
I've seen it almost everywhere.
Well, that's one thing they were trying to cut short on. They're not trying to.
Be like other platforms.
Yeah, correct. So.
Or that was why you
I
started.
feel like if you ask me, if I was using your app as a beta user, you ask me why am I interested, I say because you recommended it to me. What's skill? You said you said this job fit my personality. You're asking me why am I interested. I just want to be able to apply and get that prepared.
Well, why am I interested? Your salary looks competitive. It sounds like the work is less than when I'm currently working.
What is this
I
nonsense?
don't mind doing the two together. For whole day,
So
like
for authenticated users, so their resume they should be able to change it. Or
yeah. whatever they're sending you, if you want to change it to something completely different in life, you already have their resume. You can make them select resume or whatever. You show it. If they want to use that resume, good. If they don't want to use that resume, you can change it. So things like that basically. But yeah,
Sorry, I know you're building MVP, but yeah, I don't know if this can be incorporated. When you want to tell their resume, can you generate the new resume to tailor it to that particular role?
Yeah. Okay.
Using
I
like chat to
I
write
actually
it.
like that. But now, I mean,
And that's why I said I'm not talking about that's MVP. This is MVP that I'm building, but it's just for future states, right?
was no worry.
Just
You
for,
can try to.
just for future states, like it tailors automatically tailors the resume to that particular.
yeah, actually makes sense. But I don't think that's coming down because
Mm.
that's coming with a lot of
AI, this AI, that.
a lot of thinking process has to go into that.
So we have change log. Oh, we don't have change log yet.
Change logic.
We don't have features yet. Maybe on the website.
Yeah, because that's I don't the fact that I shared that link and the website that first page is actually empty does not make sense to me.
I get it.
I get it.
Help me export that logo because I've already deployed this table.
Anyways,
Okay.
so we still wanted to just do 30 minutes. So it's not about 30 minutes already. Yeah, but we just have to come live. Just have to come live and
Because it's making sense.
report to you guys. Oh, I'm not the camera very no. Our guest was like doing yesterday. So that's how our camera is set like that. But then we've reported what we're currently doing to you guys, reported what's going on, where we are at, loads of backend implementation stuff going on, which is not something that we want to be disturbing you to see because while I'm showing you endpoints and things like that. If you're interested in that, don't worry, you see you next time. Got you. But for now,
If you're interested in that, come and meet me.
social page or anything for it.
Yeah.
So wrap up.
Alright, so since our PM has decided to disappear, I'm giving myself a PM. So basically, I think what I should report to everyone by tomorrow is actually the landing page. Here's the landing page, please.
I'm yet to do that. I'll do that this night along with the Deva video.
Alright, well, alright, so basically creating a LinkedIn post, a Twitter post, and RV2. Here's the bot that is supposed to script.
The bot is ready.
It's supposed to script the.
With my full chest, it's ready.
Alright, because I need
Boss.
those particular things because I want to start looking at sending emails. So, the landing page copy, the LinkedIn post, Twitter posts, I wanted to post them today, but I just felt like let me first come on here and talk about these things first. Then the personal email, the email for beta testers or beta users. And we'll also include that on the landing page. I'll talk to you about that later. The graphic design is 70% ready, just some minor tweaks. The content on it, just my minor tweaks. Then also, I need a clip. You know those clips that we had?
Like for holding clothes or cereal bag. Which clip?
The clips that you generated and you said we can use any of these clips. So we want to use it as
Oh,
building
okay.
in public, like behind the scenes building in public, one of them. So also we're going to post that just a bit of edits, basically. So
Already?
basically, bit of edit.
Oh, okay. I thought you
Bit
said
of
a bit
oh,
on edit on Reddit. I'm like,
no
how?
bit of edit on it.
Anyway,
So that's the
yeah.
bit. Then by tomorrow, follow Next Bro on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and you should see us posting
Anyway,
constantly from tomorrow.
yep. We constantly.
Yes.
Consistency, yes.
Consistency.
For
Are you sure we're going to be consistent? Let's not promise what we can.
yeah, because
Yes.
no, we have to be, so we just try our best. We use buffer too. We'll try our best. Everything is
Or we'll build our own soon.
yeah.
Anyway,
Sure.
So as far as we have the major assets, which are the clips, the
Mhm.
graphic design, that is that we can have tomorrow. Then we have the next one prior to the next day. Then we can work on all of that. So
okay. So the part you've been waiting for. I don't have to show too much. I'm just going to show you what I've done so far.
I'm more interested in that action. So, what do you think?
You're not interested.
I say I am more interested in what you think. So, yeah.
So what I did is I create this folder. I call it script boards. I create this folder. I call it AI. Oh yeah, wait.
Come on.
Oh yeah. All right. So the goal was to. So yeah, this is anti-gravity. In case you don't know what tool this is. This is anti-gravity. Yeah, it definitely looks like cursor.
Also, VS Code.
Definitely looks like cursor.
No. All of them are actually fuck off VS Code itself.
Yeah.
So there's actually
True.
a customize your VS Code or your cursor to your
Yeah.
cursor or your anti-gravity to look exactly how you want it.
But you will not see this on cursor.
Well,
This is open agent manager. You will not see this guy. But anyways, right now. At the end of the day, this looks almost identical as cursor because you have a list of the file directories, you have like the main context window, and then you have like where you talk to your AI and all of that jargon. I think I ran out of code here. I totally maxed out what the VS Code here now.
what's the difference?
It's not very much different. Look at the top here. This is what I was talking about. Like agent manager and then this other stuff.
VS Code is as it.
Again, I also said you're right, Sha. True or true? So you're just in to drag me basically. Anyways, back into it. So we did a little bit of illegal, not necessarily illegal actually, but this is more of like scraping data. See, if you're a developer, a programmer, you write code, and you're looking for work, and you don't know how to go and use AI to sharply pull or write a script, or use AI tool to build like a solution that can help you just quickly scrape, find jobs that actually meet certain criteria. Since you can manually start doing things, then I don't know what's going on because I know that some developers are proud. They like using terminal. They don't want to use GUI. Like they don't like using GUI at all. They prefer to just send commands, give me what I want, no distractions. Life is easy. That's pretty much what this guy is doing because it works like it has I'm using Playwright, I'm using what am I using? Just gonna open requirements here. So doing a bit of the major engine that powers this whole thing is Chrome for AI. There are other solutions to getting data from social media platforms like Amplify, which other ones? I don't know which other one, but then there's Amplify for sure. It is paid. You get free version, but I don't want to max it and all of that. That's why I don't want to have to go and start paying to scrape data. This is just leads we're trying to gather and all of that. So for now, I'm just using like custom solution, using Chrome for AI and Playwright when needed. I mean, why would I go and use Claude or whatever when I can just use Gemini for free? And obviously Python. And then there are a couple of things like proxy routing, or proxy rotation, right? No routing. Pardon me. Proxy rotation, a bit of scheduling there, as you can see, and that kind of like just makes it easy for us to um, avoid bot detection and all of this kind of stuff. Right? That's how we did that proxy rotation. And I promise you, I did not even review this code at all. That's the part that's motivating to keep me alive at. I did not even review the code. Let me show you my last prompt. Okay, yeah. At first, it was not saving the file. Then I intentionally asked it to do it because you can answer the file, and then made it go and start checking, and then it fixed it. Can we have a number of blah blah blah? Okay, I noticed you keeping. Okay, that's the problem to show you. I want to show you the prompts where it was telling me to go and test it for myself. I'm like, bro, you literally have Chrome. You have a Chrome in your browser. You can go and test this thing. Can you test it? And I see, and it did. So I don't need to be testing by myself. Neither do I need to go and be checking the code if it works. Now this developer beside me is definitely looking at me like, because developers are proud. But anyways, yeah, I do. But anyways, I ran out of tokens. There was not much I could do because I don't code. I'm not a developer. I just do a few things. You can't blame me. So yeah, instead of me going to go and review code that if I spot anything that's wrong, that's if I even can spot it. I still won't be able to do anything about it. But instead, what really matters to me is what output are you giving me? Are they real outputs? And yes, there was a bit of issue with the output because it keeps saying profile, unknown. You can see unknown as well. And this is for what I'm getting is their name, their role, which may not be necessary. Company, that's the yellow one. Email is missing obviously. LinkedIn URL to go and verify that the profile actually exists. And then location, job types, and time you scraping, and things like that. Basically, it helps to basically just find exactly who this person is. So the next step for me with this automation is to tell it to check with these guys, the profile, the unknown, and the missing email. Very important. If an account does not have email, skip it. We need to define. I can't wrote the prompt actually. Maybe because I closed the browser, then it cleared. But I was trying to tell you that we need to define what success really is. We need to define what the step by step. No. We already did that from the beginning. What are the step by step implementation plan? Like, what is logical? What are the logical steps that an actual human would choose to achieve this task? Which obviously one is open your browser. So it does that first. I think I should probably run it instead of doing the top. So it opens up the browser. Although we have headless browser set to false at some point. So to run this, I just need to type in this guy. I need to cd into scriptbot. This scriptbot, yeah. Bot. And then I wrote this command. If I also specify the type, then I can specify the type is for you to fetch recruiters. I could specify jobs. I don't think we run jobs. I didn't bother running it in the second time because I don't see why I should do that. When I do that, some things are failing. I could just wait till when I have more tokens and then fix this. Alright, not to bore the hell out of you. Jobs limited to, let's just say 5 jobs still. Okay, and then press enter. Again, Python not found. Hey, nice one. I believe people. I think you are used PowerShell. Is it Python dash V or is it color?
Just Python, and you need to what you can initiate Python 3. It's Python 3 actually. Python 3 time.
Oh, so that's why it didn't work. Yeah.
It's still not going to work actually.
Then that's V. Again,
Just one, you know, double.
just one dash again.
Yeah. Sorry.
Ah, More
Yeah, I'm
exit.
expecting that. You need to initiate an environment. So it's going to be source and source.
Oh, what the hell was I thinking? What was it called? The
Being
yeah, beam slash activate.
activates. No, slash. You don't have autocomplete.
No, I don't. Alright, so I can now run. It's supposed to be Python 3 here.
I think you're in the environment already. I
Oh,
thought
okay.
you work on it. So
Okay, so specify jobs as 5. Let's see. Um, again,
you can install.
Okay.
Which package manager are you using? UV or P?
P.
Yeah, don't you can install. What do you have to do? Like,
Do that. I think it done. Okay, again.
-R.
Yeah.
You can install -R. And it's double L.
Okay. When was the last time I wrote?
How do you this is how you don't that but code for a living?
Bro, the fact I still remember some things.
This is how you don't do
The
that.
fact that I still remember some things.
This is how you don't do that by code for a living.
I don't even need to buy a code for a living, bro.
No, just by your
I just recall that. I just remember that I'm having, I'm sharing my screen with a lot of people, and some people are like, "What the hell is going on?" So
This is how you don't do that by code for a living. Don't
Alright.
by coders in the chat.
So yeah, W for coders in the chat if you're there. Dominating the world. Anyway, this is how to know that your environment is on here. But it's not supposed to show like a blue tick here.
I don't know how you environment is working, so
Yeah.
I can't.
Anyways, Python, main QI, script, type, jobs, 5. Alright, this should work here. If it does not work, it's not you, it's me to.
Yeah, your bots.
So,
So
I didn't want.
actually.
Okay, you know what? Let's just.
No. Read hold on. Read what keywords. The particular package you created
Hmm.
and it's no longer working.
Hmm.
So you and your AI able to
But it worked now.
it was meant to work at the point
Like it worked here. How did you get this data?
today.
No, not today. That's it.
Thank you.
As I yesterday night. We are
Getting that is over 6 hours. How long does it take to deploy the package?
Oh, did I say yesterday night? This morning, no. Around.
How long does it take to deploy the package? The major reason why it's actually not working was that package is created.
Yes. All right. So the goal is for me to just show that yes, I did not sleep on it, and this is me reporting that I started working on some things. I started coding myself.
You by code and
I've been
chat.
coding by myself. I've been getting things done. Type shit. W by code.
In the chat.
But anyways, what it does, as I already narrated in a very short way. I've narrated it, but not let me give the long definition or explanation. It pretty much just goes to what do I mean? It pretty much just goes to open up a browser, mimic what an actual human would do when they're trying to go manually find the leads and then log them in like a table or whatever. First step obviously is open up a browser. Second step is you log in if you're not logged in, the session is not active. So what I did to avoid back and forth of session issue is I logged in my account to the specific browser that it will always open. And I told it to just keep login session, but check if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, end and let me know that I should log in. And I log in again. Maybe session ended or whatever reason. If we're logged in, the URL for site does not change anyhow like that. So it automatically just opens up a tab with the search bar and then it does a bit of they search for specific roles, get like list of plenty people, and then just scroll, randomly click, while giving all of these things like a bit of time difference so that we don't catch that in the bots. Because if you go and download everything, boom, download the next one, boom, download the next one, they just lose the bots, the flag is gone. So instead, we carefully just scroll, pick one, check the profile, pick one, yeah, click command, you check their profile, just quickly statistics, uh, yeah, this is section one there is that stuff. But anyways, you pretty much just be sure that the account actually has. What I want to add a check now is to be sure that the account actually has an email. It has an email we can code mail. It follows them as well because if you're not check to be sure they have email. W coders after checking if they have an email, follow them so that we can actually initiate the conversation later on. Like if I want to text them type thing, follow them. Yeah. And then if you get a phone number, great. If you don't, no problem. Log their roles, and other things like what's that guy again? Data recruiters. Yeah. So log things like their full name, their role, if you get information about their company, no wahala, their email, LinkedIn URL, just in case the bot does not pick something correctly here. You could easily just go to their URL to check if there's something else that we could get from there. Or if you want to rerun and then send in mail or whatever it is. So you can do that from here. If you find Twitter URL, good. If you don't, no problem. Location is not that important, but we should log it for sure. Job types I had for if you can get that information. Basically just log like information that will help us get to know them a bit more and then oh shit, the call is has extended beyond the time we're expecting. We've gotten this stream short, like we said, it's going to be short one. It's also after 30 minutes. So that's pretty much what it's going to do. For jobs, it's going to do exactly the same process and then data is to fetch instead. See, I've not scripted for jobs yet. Data to fetch instead will be data that are actually relating to if you can pull time and date of when that job was created. That's like the most important information first. Actually, that's a lie. Most important information is going to be what the role is because we're going to be using the role to search for different jobs. And we're preloading this is version one. Version two will have like a sort of AI that has like a list of roles that we want to search for, and it would give search terms that we're going to be using to find these different roles across different countries because it's not just one country that you give for job ads, and you cannot just type in front-end development and expect that only those roles, we just mentioned the roles alone, is actually to work. No, front-end development, remote, Kenya, front-end development, on-site, USA, whatever. So the AI is going to pick on the different job roles that we've mentioned so far, that we have listed on our platform so far, and then come up with search keywords that a normal human being that's trying to search for jobs would use, and then use that to now find those jobs on LinkedIn. First, this is for the test run. Later on, we're going to update this whole thing after perfecting that it does not time out, the project rotation is fine, it clicks around, it doesn't capture wrong hit and stuff like that. We're going to have normal URLs. We're going to have like Google search. We're going to have like deep search from Gemini has deep search here. It has Claude or whatever model we use to do that. It will do its own normal deep search, and they will now have another sub agent running in parallel that will be fetching data directly from Google, avoiding popular sources like LinkedIn, Indeed, all those other normal nonsense. I'm sorry, all those other job platforms that we don't care about. Filter those ones out. then only focus on career pages of actual website, actual products. And the way we are going to target that, instead of just saying front end development 2026 February, you could get results for that, but you get loads of jargon. You could specify a region or some other keyword attributes, some other key attributes that would help you narrow down your search and avoid generic response from this guy. What's that name again? Those normal job boards. We don't care about those ones. Target is to find actual companies. Remember I said something about a keyword. Is it create or what I call it? That we just pick different job descriptions. Pick different job descriptions. I mean, it's getting news everywhere. So
Okay, that's good.
that's what I'm looking at, to be honest.
Alright.
But anyways, part of that. So I mentioned something about the AI that is using the different job titles that we already have listed on our platform, and then some other common parameters like is it remote, is it in Canada, is it in Germany, wherever it is. It would the sub agent is going to come up with different keywords that you can use to search for different jobs and all of that in the background. And then that will not be the keyword that we're using to search on Google, and then in parallel with deep search from whatever agents we're using to find these different jobs. Again, we are totally removing anything that has to do with job boards. Like Glovo is a job board, so I don't care. Remove Glovo. Remove
Glovo.
GG. You know, concern me.
Glovo is not a job board.
You know, concern me. We don't even want any job board at all. We don't even want to smell it. Remove them first. Hey, we're not talking about the other ones. So, if you got the job of Glovo before, W's, tell us not the secret. But anyways,
Hold on. Glovo as a job board. Which of the job Glovo? The one I
no,
know
that
about.
was okay to my head because you never can tell.
I know Glovo as a.
I know Gigi has.
Yeah, Gigi has job. Glovo is for food.
Well, you could be a dispatch rider. You know, even dispatch riders don't get job on Glovo directly.
You know.
No. But anyways, you get the point. We don't care about job boards generally. And we're going to have like mechanisms that definitely help us to remove these different I don't want to say nonsense, but you get the point. So that's pretty much how we're going to do like lots of filtering and being intentional about the search parameters that we're using to find those jobs. So this trick that I've given you guys, this is something you can literally do on your own. To be fair, but if you don't know how to code and you don't have the time to code, then sure. I was about to say you don't have to on a wait list, but instead of doing that, because it's currently down.
Wait, is it down?
Well, I send the wait list page. Let me send it to them then. Alright, so we are ready to go to when we're ready to go to market and all of that. We're going to be doing some massive ads, reaching out to recruiters and all of that. Reaching out to companies that are probably going to be hiring and stuff. Agencies, actually, one core target should be agencies, by the way. I think we should target agencies as well. Very intentional about agencies because they will be hiring and all of that. They might have like, I have a couple of contacts in Germany that I know that they definitely need to, they usually need people very well.
Plug me in.
But the problem is they usually want people that are in Germany already, that understand German and all of that.
I can live
That's
on
the
the job.
problem. Why do you think I changed my name to HP Abby? It's the meaning of HP. I didn't even pick it from uni at first. It was from where I saw it. But when I now started learning German, I realized, oh, HP means I am. Oh, my name. So it begins from there. Charity begins at. So you start with your name. Anyways, very soon I'll be talking to you in English again.
I was surprised when I saw she converted and you're like,
What
one
is
doing?
this? Exactly. I didn't understand it too, but it was later I figured it was German. So yeah, people like that, contacts like that, it would be great to actually have them on board. Because then they will post like loads of jobs and then we would help them to mass post on job boards that we don't like, but we'll post on there for them. Post to different tech communities that we have, and then thirdly, social media platforms. Tell me why that you don't use this platform. We're making life easy for you. Why would you not use it? Anyways, you get the point. We've spent over an hour just now, over an hour and 10 seconds. I think we've tried for today because the plan was to just do like a report of what we've done so far, and we've done way more than that. And I hope that someone is going to steal this tip of using Google search with different keywords to do for job boards, and then having AI, just like Shion said, having AI use deep search to find roles for you. Don't sleep on it, bro. Don't sleep on it, bro. Any comments? Any comments? Any comments? Any comments? No comments. All right, we'll wait for like 2 seconds, and if nobody asks any question in the chat, we'll disappear. Fairs, fairs. One, two. I would ask question. Bye. Anyways, I'm still kidding. Just kidding. If you have any question, which I suspect a lot of people might not ask because y'all don't like typing in chat, and we see y'all, and we see the numbers coming through. Right now we're at 22K viewers. Amen. I go live for you. I don't feel like for you now. I don't feel like for you. All right, I'm starting to see, and then in about a minute or two, if there are no questions, I'm going to pause here today. She already mentioned what we're going to be sharing with you guys tomorrow in terms of the socials, and then Phoenix also said that he's going to finish building the entire product by tomorrow.
I never said that.
What did she not say? But anyways, at the very least, even this page is going to be up. We're going to have what else? Job creation. Yeah, when leads to job creation, and you can see like some other UI related part of the product that we have for you guys. So that's pretty much for now. Reporting from ATV Live. See you same time, another station. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you guys.